Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can grow your online business in just 30 days. Whether you are just starting out or you are struggling to grow your existing online business, these tips will help you take your business to the next level. Tip 1. Define your target audience. The first step to growing your online business is to define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your product or service? Once you have identified your target audience, you can create content that speaks directly to them. This will help you attract the right people to your website or social media profiles. Tip 2. Use social media to your advantage. Social media is a powerful tool for growing your online business. You can use it to connect with your target audience, promote your products or services, and build your brand. Make sure you are active on the social media platforms that your target audience uses the most. Engage with your followers, share valuable content, and use hashtags to increase your visibility. Tip 3. Offer a free resource. Offering a free resource is a great way to attract new customers to your business. You can create a free ebook, checklist, or webinar that provides value to your target audience. Make sure your free resource is relevant to your business and includes a call to action that encourages people to sign up for your email list or make a purchase. Tip 4. Collaborate with others in your industry. Collaborating with other businesses in your industry is a great way to expand your reach and attract new customers. You can collaborate on a blog post, social media campaign, or webinar. Make sure you choose businesses that complement your own and have a similar target audience. Tip 5. Monitor your analytics. Monitoring your analytics is essential for growing your online business. You need to know what is working and what is not so you can make informed decisions about your marketing strategy. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and email open rates. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 tips for growing your online business in just 30 days. Remember to define your target audience, use social media to your advantage, offer a free resource, collaborate with others in your industry, and monitor your analytics. With these tips, you will be well on your way to growing a successful online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.